Okay, I have Titanium White Plus Gloss Medium. I have Hansa Yellow Medium, Cadmium Orange Hue, Quinacridone Magenta, Quinacridone Violet with a tiny bit of Dioxazine Purple. Let me see. That's the only amount. So that is a darker color. Medium is DecoArt Pouring Medium. I have a 7 ounces cup. And I'm gonna start with the white. Gonna prepare some white and put it around. It's already so pretty. When I move it in a circular motion. Going to put some white in here. I'm gonna take a small, let's see, but thank you for joining me. Please come back for more. I'm gonna zoom this because you have to see how pretty it is. This turned out so pretty. I want you to see how 3D is that section. It is absolutely beautiful. And look at the effect in there, the ribbon effect in there, and then those sections in there, and even this section in here, it looks like if it was outline in there. It is so different, so pretty. There's so many places to look. Now I did this in here. If you don't like it, you don't have to do that. But I like it. I really like how different it is. But thank you for joining me. It looks like in there it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Look at the shades in there. So different. This is a keeper. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.